that question doesn't come.
Yes, it does come. It does come.
Yes.
You challenge our order, sir. You challenge our order. You challenge our order. Ask.
PO, this entire work that is carried on, I say.
All right. You go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is-
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
The entire submission. Your lordship does not want to hear my submission.
Yes, sir. You hear you,
But
sir.
my submission is the issue is the PO.
Yes. You should also be disturbed as a citizen of West Bengal.
But
Having
when
been brought and brought up
submissions
here.
are made, when
you should
submissions
say.
are made, with
Situation is very unfortunate. What is happening? Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA. But
10,000 is not the mystery. We never said that. We are saying, my lord, that mob, my lord, the demonstration swelled to 7,000. Out of which, my lord, as Mr. Banerjee,
What are they demonstrating for? In fact, the rapid action force should have prevented them from at least 1 kilometer
demonstration
before.
was at that site where the rally was being taken care of. DYFI was putting up that.
No, they have the responsibility, my lord, to differentiate between the mob as well as, my lord, the persons, doctors who are agitating, my lord.
But with your lordship's kind leave,
I will only make a
permitted-
prayer, let the CBI also take up the investigation so far the vandalism is concerned. Because this is a part of
Protection, sir.
no, we have already deployed.
Because we have made all our prima facie observations. We have also made a prima facie observation that your client is a very powerful person. So therefore, don't worry. Police will give you adequate.
It's possible that question doesn't come.
Yes. It does come. It does come.
Yes.
You challenge our order, sir. You challenge our order. You challenge our order. As we have signed, the order has been uploaded. It has to be implemented. Otherwise, we'll take suo motu contempt. If you want to bring on record anything, please file an affidavit. Let us test the correctness of your submission based on affidavit. Let him come and affirm an affidavit here. We will take it up.
Now, may I?
In the meantime, the state is with you. There's no problem. They will post 500 policemen in your house. Nobody can set it on. If you don't trust the state police, please inform the court. We will request the central forces to guard your house.
I am all along with cooperating with the investigation agents.
We'll see, sir. We'll see. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Let him be peaceful at home. Let him relax for some time.
First and foremost, may I say that as of now, and I say now, the PO is secure. All these allegations that the PO has been demolished, destroyed, nothing is
All right.
correct.
Then you
This-
file an affidavit.
I can,
Yes.
one more thing, may I just say? As far as the demolition work that happened, that was not anyway, that was not in the PO or anywhere. That is for other room because there was a long-standing demand.
Sir, what was the urgency, sir?
The urgency is not, I'll tell you, Lordship, that is that it's a restroom for doctors. That has got nothing to do with the PO. This entire work that is carried on, I say.
All right. You go to any district court complex.
Yes.
You find out whether the ladies have got restroom. You go
That
to
is what
Siliguri.
is-
You
that
go
is
to
the-
Siliguri, sir.
But
I am not talking off my cuff.
no, I am saying.
I say this with responsibility.
Yes.
And you are saying you go and visit the restrooms here.
Well,
What has the
today-
PWD done?
Today, when as far as the PO is concerned, the PO is fully secured.
Yes,
When the demolition
All
work
right,
carried out was outside,
All
much
right.
further
How
away from the
many
PO.
patients are there? We'll close down the hospital. We'll shift all the patients to some other government hospital. We'll convince the patient party to cooperate. We'll shift everybody, close the hospital. Close the hospital.
That was only
How many patients are there? Close the hospital, that will be the best. And all this story is saying that within 12 hours, restroom has to be provided. See the conditions, sir. See the condition in the court premises.
If I'm not, if PO is fully secure, I say it as of now.
We take
Lord,
it.
because of adequate
The entire submission, your lordship does not want to hear my submission.
Yes, sir, I will hear you,
But
sir.
my submission is, the issue is the PO. The PO I said as of now is also. There is no demolition work that has happened in the PO.
So as of
I'm
now,
saying it
because
with responsibility
of the
and all
agitators.
instructions.
We take your word. You let this be on record by whoever is the dean of the hospital or administrator of the hospital. Let him file saying that Nothing has been done. You support,
Nothing is in the PO.
yes, and you can substantiate with photographs, and you can say,
Yes, yes.
and what was the work done, we are with an open mind, sir.
Yes,
But what
that's
you-
all I'm praying for.
Yes, yes, you should also be disturbed as a citizen of West Bengal,
But
having been
when
born and brought up
submissions
here.
are made,
You should
submissions
say,
are made with
yes,
contrary
yes,
facts,
yes.
that also
It should
disturbs.
pain you. It should pain you also.
Look,
Pains me.
it does pain us. But when incorrect submissions are made, then your lordship doesn't want to hear us, then it's a
No,
different
no, it's not that way, sir.
Your
We have
lordship,
been here. We have been.
thing. I am categorically saying the PO is secure as of
Take
now.
We will take your word. Take your word. You let an affidavit come on record saying that the PO is safe. CBI is under investigation. If they want, they can controvert. They can also examine. They will-
We have no problem with that. Let them go. Have they made that is the investigating agency. Have they come and said that PO has been demolished?
We have not taken up the issue today. The matter has been listed today because several requests have come by the writ petitioners themselves reporting about this vandalism. So this vandalism, could it have been prevented, is the moot question. Who did it, for what purpose it was did, etc. There's a gross difference between 35 people and 7,000 people. How many entered the hospital? What was the reason to, break all facilities in the emergency weeks? This can never be understood, sir.
May
I
I
don't think
submit
so.
this?
Such things has occurred in any
I
other
will,
part of the
I
country.
have with me, well, it's just that I cannot show it to your lordship. The amount of resistance the police were putting up and how this
It
vandalism.
is true, sir. The police are also injured. That's not
Yes, yes.
sufficient.
Even a rank of deputy commissioner has got injured. The other officers are also injured. So that is.
So
I am saying,
therefore,
but
Is
today,
it a failure of the law and order situation?
it is not. Well,
That shows the helplessness of the state police authorities, and that is why we pray for deployment of central paramilitary forces. That is the
Mr. Bakshi, please.
merit.
Therefore, some things should instill confidence in the mind of the court, sir. This
Sir,
is,
if I may, just my point is,
Uh.
this situation is very unfortunate. What is happening? Both sides suffering. I'm a doctor from Calcutta, although I mostly live in USA. But these doctors strike. Now, more patients are dying, poor patients. These doctors strike. Here is the Supreme Court. All I want, a Supreme Court order. We went.
no, we are going to hear the doctors.
No, it's different thing. It's different thing.
Let him hold his patients, Milord. We are on different.
Dr. Vai, you please file your
Well, he
petition.
stays in USA. He is so much interested in Calcutta affairs. That's not difficult.
Wait,
Please,
Let us.
one.
you-
You should not-
We know
You should first
know you very well.
understand the agony your fraternity is
Yes.
going through.
Totally. I'm with them.
So
But
we will
not by
grant,
shutting down hospital. Milord, what is happening?
yes, it has to be because
Only one hospital is
today
shut.
the event is-
Strike is in the, just one. What Supreme
No,
Court
we
said?
will not receive anything. You please file your
I will
papers.
list this matter on Monday as to be mentioned.
Yes,
To be mentioned.
leave is
you-
granted.
leave is granted to file. Please.
Your lordship,
Yeah.
parallelly a committee may be formed only for, your lordship, the condition of female doctors there who are working, who are studying is precarious. A judicial committee may be created only to suggest what state could take measures to improve the condition. This is required. This is required. Not only safety, plus the hygiene, Sexual Harassment Act, which has been brought in as a law. This is also workplace. The basic requirement of a human being is not being given to in any of the government hospital. The public toilets are worse than a gutter. I'm uttering this word, your lordship. As a public citizen, I cannot go to a public hospital for treatment because I do not want to be in such situation. But my state doctors are compelled to work there because they want to study, they want to improve the society by giving them medical facility. So a judicial committee only to suggest, I'm not against the state.
All right, we will consider a prayer at the appropriate.
Sir, my lord, as a matter of fact, my lord, Mr. Banerjee, I don't think he was apprised of that, my lord. My lord, there were two acts, my lord. One was breakage of a wall, if your lordship remember. The second.
No, that we'll go into ground later.
Yes.
Mr. Banerjee has
Because,
told.
my lord, that was, my lord, as a matter of fact, of the joint decision taken by the protesting doctors and the hospital.
See, you bring on record.
What to carry out at that point of time after the CBI was.
The thing
that
is-
investigation.
Have that.
No,
It was not at the place of occurrence.
Just not in the PO.
that
That is a
actually a word.
Just in the place of occurrence.
The place of occurrence is completely secure. Let the affidavit with photographs, no issues. Now, what is the issue is, if suppose this incident which occurred on 14th is repeated in any other institution, what like? So if the police are injured, they are unable to control the mob, then the law and order situation has failed. That's it. That's the bottom line of it.
But may I say this?